So today I developed a pretty bad rattle coming from the exhaust. I heard it the other day, I tried tracking it down, couldn't figure it out. I adjusted the kickstand, that wasn't it. And then pulling off the exhaust cap today, right here. So when you pull this cap off and you look inside, it's just all rusted out. So I'm pretty sure I got chunks of rust somewhere in here just rattling and being obnoxious. So pulling off the XT exhaust is pretty straightforward. One bolt here, one Allen head screw, and then you have one clamp here, and then we'll take this last one off, twist it off, I'll pull the end cap and see what we can see. And yeah, this came right off. Much heavier than I expected. Jeez, we could reduce some weight there. And that's our problem. You hear that? It's up at this end. Oh yeah, I can see it. Yep, there's a piece of rust down there, sure. So, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, because the GoPro is probably blocking the light when I do that, but you'll have to trust me. There's a piece of rust down there. We'll get her out. As for looking at aftermarket exhaust and even trying to find this one, not really interested in putting an exhaust on this bike. I'd rather buy tires. So, probably just gonna try to do something with this one. But we're gonna pop this end cap off now. I'm probably gonna lose a lot of the bolts because it's dark. And that's how we roll. Ow! 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 Totally just punched the side of the bike. Felt great. So I don't know if you can see now, but that's a pretty good shot of it. The rust in the hole. The camera always blocks the light though, so. Can't really get it with the needle nose. And it looks like a pretty big piece of rust, so I might have to just break the rest of that rust out so I can get it out. And that's what we're gonna do next, because just twisting on it with needle nose pliers, trying to get it curled up small enough like this to fit out the hole, and it did. And I came across a picture of the exhaust. And you have the tailpipe with the spark arrestor here. And if you remember from my video where my tailpipe's just rusted out, I don't have any of that. That's probably why it's so loud. So just for a little comparison on the exhaust rattle, we'll do it without the tailpipe cover on there. So we'll fire it up.